So this is the outer box of the collection kit box, and this is the partition in which we keep the vial and the brush. So this is the vial, cell solution. This is the barcodes. This is the brush, cervical to stick partition to the outer box. This cyto requisition form. This is what happens to the sample after it is taken, and this is the instructions how to use this kit. So let me show you how to make this box, but before that we'll stick the barcodes. So take one barcode, make sure all the barcodes are same, and stick this barcode on the vial. That's one. Then take another, stick it on the cytoform. Take third barcode and stick it on the journey of your sample form. And take the fourth barcode and stick it on the box in this area where you see the WhatsApp number. So you should make sure all these 4 barcodes are same. So now I'll show you how to make this box. So this is a box. If you can see, there are parting lines given. Just turn from both sides on these parting lines, both horizontally and vertically. So this is a vertical parting line. You can see I'm turning it both ways. Now take this horizontal one, every parting line. So you see this DNAPloidy collection kit name here. So you have to keep it like this. So this is the base which you have to keep on the surface, and you can see these 2 flaps. Just hold it like this and bring these 2 flaps together, and then this flap, bring it from the top. You can see these 2 flaps brought together, and this one from the top. Turn it and lock it. There's a lock at the bottom. Same goes with this side. Lock it. So our base is ready. Now we'll make the partition. You can see the same parting lines here also. Just turn it on every parting line from both sides. So you have to give it a shape like this. So these 2 will be on the top, with the one in which vial is kept. So now we'll take the glue and we'll stick the glue. The space for vial, this should be in the end. And stick it. Now you see our box is ready. Now take the vial and keep it in this. Take the brush, keep it in this. So this is the form, cyto requisition. Fold it, keep it in this. You can see this other forms. All the 3 forms, fold them and keep it inside. Close the box. So DNAPloidy collection kit box is ready.